What's the meaning of bulrush? Bulrush. Bulrush.
Bulrush. Bulrush. Bulrush is a herbaceous plant that typically grows in wet or marshy areas. The plant has long, thin leaves and round, cylindrical stems that can reach heights of up to 10 feet. Bulrushes are often used in wetland restoration projects because they help stabilize soils and provide valuable habitat for wildlife. The plant is also used in traditional basket making, as its strong, flexible stems are ideal for weaving. Additionally, bulrushes have been used in medicinal preparations for their diuretic and anti-inflammatory properties. Overall, bulrushes are a versatile and important plant with a variety of uses and benefits.